Hey, it's Eric. In this video, we're going to talk about ASP.NET Core and session state. For our purposes, we want to have multiple web servers serving at the same time for redundancy. We also want those web servers to be able to share a user's session. To do that, we want to store session state inside Redis since we're already using it. So watch as we hook up ASP.NET Core to Redis as a session state provider.
What the fuck is this?
Okay, so we've got like this really basic authentication thing that sort of seems to work. So now what we want to do is store this. We want to store our user session in Redis. So, all right. So we're going to try this, and it'll probably work terribly, and we'll just have to see. So manage NuGet packages for solution. We're going to look for Stack Exchange. Let's put it right here.
Yep.
No.
So the configuration seems to be literally the text that we have in our config file. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
How do we tell it which database to use?
Yeah, so there's a default database option in there under configuration options.
Okay.
Just for now. I mean, I just want to see if it works. And then they set an instance name to like string.empty for some reason.
Now, what is the instance name? What's that? Is that a Redis thing or a?
I don't know, but
or the caching thing?
I mean, I don't know.
Well, we'll see.
So, oh, did I have use session in here? Okay. I don't even know if he. I guess I don't actually know that this is the session. This might be the auth cookie, right? Which is maybe distinct from the session. Okay. Do we have a use session in here?
No.
I don't see it.
Now, what does it say about use session? Because
let's see.
I swear it said something about ordering for that one.
Looks like he goes here. We're gonna call this just to see if it's a different one. So he does not contain cookie name. He has a cookie. Idle timeout 60 minutes. How about 60 minutes times 24 hours, baby? Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Out of curiosity. So we do have this. Okay, so we have to give it. That's fine. Does that seem okay?
Yep.
So
might need to delete that and relog in.
I wonder we should store something in session too. So that put in a session, but we haven't like used session at all. So I wonder if it only creates it if you do something in session, maybe.
It's annoying that we'd have to have two cookies.
Yes, it would be.
Maybe that is the session cookie.
Yeah, so let's put something in session so we know.
Yep.
So when we log in, we'll say, oops, is he not? Let's see, where does? I mean, he used to be. Like, is it request.session? Where did he go?
Look at HTTP context.
There we go. We'll do this.
Doesn't like that.
It does not like that. Cannot apply indexing to expression type I session. What can you do to it? Maybe.
Type set string. Is session an extension too? So session set string. Can you get it to import there?
What else?
With extensions though, they're far less discoverable.
Okay, well this is fine for now. Okay, so then, and stupid ass friggin', can I get the HTTP context from
I think you can.
like right here?
Yeah. I think you can do just at session.
What do I have here? Because we had user. What
Is there user.session? No. Is there?
I mean, fine. I'll just do it this way, right? This is HTTP context. Session.get string. Oh, that is really annoying.
I think this is why we ended up creating like base controllers before to add like so that everybody had helper methods to things.
Yep. So let's clear this guy. Okay. Boom.
It didn't do anything.
It didn't work. Does this guy have anything in here? No. So
something didn't work.
Have to put
we don't
on.
have a session going.
Okay.
just I wanted to see like that, and this is correct. This is right. And,
what if you take off the instance name?
Yeah. Or should we give it an instance name?
Or just don't tell it anything, like whatever its default is.
Okay, we're gonna stop doing that. And so then of course that's not gonna work. So clear, we'll just delete you. Hey.
So instance name broke it?
I guess. So then now there should be 2 keys in here.
Cool.
Okay.
Awesome. I wonder if there's a way we could specify that DB, just append it to the connection string.
I think one thing you can do, you can actually do this. Okay, how about that?
You know, more exceptions. If this had just thrown more exceptions, we would have figured it out sooner.
All right, quick. Are the contents of the 2 cookies identical?
No, I see differences.
No.
Right in.
Oh, all right.
I'm sure they've got some weird preamble thing. Okay. Now we've got.
So there's but you make a good point, Todd, which is in at least it seems like in the way we've done in the old ASP.NET, there's one session cookie And that session cookie, like once it fetches that session data, tells ASP.NET that you're authenticated.
Well, that's because we rolled our own session and authentication.
Do we have to deal with like a different expiration of the session and the authentication?
We could probably just, yeah.
Like what
Well-
happened? How do we handle if somebody has one cookie but not the other?
I assume .NET will do that for us.
Yeah, well, it'll create a new session for them, right? I mean, so we could have a session that lasts for a month. You know what I mean? And then like their auth will only last for like a day or whatever, right? And that way, like even if they get booted.
But
Anyways, this is all like, I guess some of this stuff feels like, I feel like for the purposes of what we wanted to do today, are we happy with our capabilities around session for now?
I suppose.
yeah, I'm happy.
I mean, it sort of lives in, Redis, right? And we can prove here, first of all, there he is. You logged in at 2:17:33 p.m. These other ones should be older. 2:14 and 2:12. Good. Trash. Is this the worst UI you've ever seen in your whole life? It is just great. Okay.